Good evening, I'm Ankita Singh, and you're watching Channel 6 Network's 9 pm bulletin. Let's dive into tonight's top stories. The state witnessed a voter turnout of 66.05%, signaling strong engagement. This election was crucial for both the ruling Mahayuti and opposition MVA alliances, with significant political stakes at play. The Adani Group finds itself embroiled in another controversy as bribery allegations surface in the US. This legal battle could have wide-ranging implications for both the conglomerate and India's business reputation. The legendary actor, celebrated for his villainous roles, passed away. His funeral was held today at his residence in Vandanamkurisi, near Shoranur. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky called on the world to act, emphasizing the need for stronger pressure on Russia to halt its aggression and achieve lasting peace. While Sensex and Nifty rebounded today, Adani Group stocks remained under pressure. Investors are closely monitoring developments as investigations continue. Addressing criticism, Palicha highlighted job creation and positive impacts on local Kirana stores. He also clarified concerns around pricing, citing higher quality standards as a factor. As part of cost-cutting measures, Ola Electric will lay off 500 employees. The company's leadership aims to streamline operations for a stronger financial future. Both Mahayuti and MVA alliances are dealing with internal disputes as the fight for the chief minister's post grows fiercer post-election. Shujit Sircar's latest film sees Abhishek Bachchan deliver a powerful performance in an emotional drama that promises to leave audiences deeply moved. Actor-turned-politician Mukesh faces public outcry after multiple cases of sexual assault emerged, following revelations by the Hema Committee. Gold futures climbed 435 rupee today, reaching 77,128 rupee per 10 grams, driven by robust demand during the festive season. A gas leak at a fertilizer plant in Sangli has claimed 3 lives and hospitalized 9 others. Authorities have pledged a thorough investigation into the incident. In a significant security operation, Chhattisgarh forces neutralized 10 Maoists in Sukma, recovering weapons and marking a win in ongoing anti-Naxal efforts. Elon Musk's X has become India's top news app on Apple's App Store. Meanwhile, Musk's net worth continues to soar, now listed at $331 billion. New accusations of racial discrimination have surfaced against the Adani Group in Australia, adding to its global legal challenges. Kenya has cancelled agreements with Adani Group for major infrastructure projects, citing ongoing bribery allegations. A Navy submarine collided with a fishing vessel, leaving 2 fishermen missing. Investigations into the accident are underway. Hyundai takes a bold step towards renewable energy by investing 38 crore rupees in Tamil Nadu, leveraging the state's rich wind and solar resources. Rahul Gandhi has called air pollution in North India national emergency, urging Parliament to address the crisis in the upcoming winter session. With exit poll predictions favoring the opposition, Congress leader Sachin Pilot has expressed confidence in the MVA's victory, promising a decision on the Chief Minister's post shortly. That's all for tonight. Keep watching Channel 6 Network for the latest updates. This is Ankita Singh, signing off. Good night.